Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. Today I'm showing you how to upgrade into Canva Pro. At first, open your browser and go to canva.com and log in. Click on pricing in the top menu. That's where Canva shows its plan. You will see plan options like free, pro, themes, etc. Under Pro, click free trial or try Pro to get started. Canva lets you choose monthly amounts or annual serves about 20 or 25%. You will need to add your credit card or pay bill. Don't worry, you get 30 days free trial before any charge kick. Once you confirm your payment, your account switches to Pro. Now enjoy features like AI background remover, magic resize, brand kit, tones of premium template and stock of Reddit. And that's it, you are ready to use Canva Pro on desktop. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.